Long ago, in this forsaken cabin, a family met their sinister fate. Their spirits trapped for eternity, seeking vengeance. One by one, they disappeared, consumed by the malevolent force.
Would you like to learn how to make this kind of videos, but you think it is too complicated? Well, it's your lucky day because with the help of AI tools such as ChatGPT, we will create the script and also the image prompt for each scene. We will also get AI images and videos from Genmo, PikaLabs and LeiaPixs. Wait for the entire final result, you won't believe it. Okay, once in ChatGPT, we will copy the prompt that is on the description of this video. Then ChatGPT will start creating our script with all the necessary prompts for the images. Cool, right? Here we have the scene 1, and below is the prompt that we will copy on Genmo to create our AI images. By the way, all the AI tools that I am using are free. Just sign up. Here we write this command and paste the prompt. It will generate an image in a few seconds. This is the first that I got. To be honest, it looks very professional. Now let's go to the scene 2 and copy-paste the prompt to get the image. This time we will get an abandoned cabin in the forest. In fact, we got our second image and Genmo tool is performing really well, not gonna lie. Then the third image was a family portrait. I didn't expect such great result. It looks very real. What do you think? Now we needed a figure outside the window of the cabin, and this was the image. Later we will animate this image very easily with the help of PikaLabs. In the scene 4, we needed a creaking, rotting wooden floorboard. This was still loading, so we couldn't see the real size of the image. But after waiting some more seconds, we saw the proper image. That looked great. The dusty music box looked really scary. I was looking for that, so it was perfect for my horror story. Would you be scared if you see this on your bed? This was the scary hand image. Do not forget to download all of these images. I created a folder for all of them. Now this image really scared me. I didn't expect that real-looking blood on that hand. And these are all the images that I got. Remember, the more images you add, the better video you will create. I didn't really know what this image was, but it looked great though. Finally, I tried to create the outro image, but Genmo didn't understand, so it was a mess. But that outro wasn't necessary either. This was the folder I told you about. Here it contains all the images from Genmo. Now we head to PikaLabs to start animating all these images so that they turn into videos. You could also create your video with a prompt using Create command, but I prefer to animate the images we got from Genmo. We will get a better quality. To do this, use the command Animate and upload your image to it. Press Enter and wait for some seconds. I uploaded almost all of them, so I will show you some of the results so you can judge yourself. The cabin video. The figure video. The hand video. The figure outside the cabin video. The bloody hand video. Okay, now we head to LeiaPixs to animate the rest of the images. You have 400 credits to export your animations for free. Here you also upload your image and create the animation. You have several options to decide what fits the best with your image. However, I think all of them fits very well with it. By the way, if you like animations, I have a video on how to create animations with 5 free AI tools. So after watching this full video, you can visit it too. And we export it. As you can see, LeiaPixs animated very well this image. And these are the last images I animated with LeiaPixs. We have almost all the elements to edit the video. However, we needed a voiceover, so I went to ElevenLabs and used Nicole voice. This voice is perfect for narration because it's whispering.
A solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
Now we go to scene in ChatGPT and copy-paste it on ElevenLabs to get the MP3 file. Repeat this process with all the scenes.
Long ago, in this forsaken cabin, a family met their sinister fate.
If you don't like the result, generate it again.
Long ago, in this forsaken cabin, a family met their sinister fate.
All right, that's better. Download it and head to CapCut, a free editing software. Now import all the elements from your folder so that you have all the AI videos. And drag your first image to the panel. You will also add the audio file of each scene. Increase the volume to the maximum and repeat the process with all the scenes. If the video is too short for the audio file, you can decrease the video speed. Now we will adjust the size of the video and remember to use ratio 16:9 if you are creating a video for YouTube. As I said, we repeat the process with each scene. This time I was adding scene 2, where a family portrait appeared. If you can animate your image on LeiaPixs because you don't have any credits left, you can edit it in Canva like this using keyframes. Now we are going to add auto captions to our story. This will make it easier to the audience. It is automatic and fast to do this. Here on the right, you can modify all the caption as you like. You can also use some animations, but for this kind of videos, I think we don't need any animation. I also added some background music to the story. I also use this effect for this scenes. I think it matches very well with the image. And this is the final result.
Long ago, in this forsaken cabin, a family met their sinister fate. Their spirits trapped for eternity, seeking vengeance. One by one, they disappeared, consumed by the malevolent force. Every night, a haunting melody echoed through the house. The music box, a relic of darkness, played its twisted tune. But who played it? The answer lay shrouded in fear. In the cellar, secrets were buried, secrets that wanted to be found. The family's restless spirits condemned to repeat their tragic end. As you watch this tale unfold, beware the cursed reflection. And so, the haunted forest keeps its chilling secrets, waiting for the next curious soul.
Like and subscribe for more AI content, and thanks for watching. See you soon!